Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add referral code on SHEIN. So if you also want to add referral code on SHEIN, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open SHEIN application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. From this application, you'll be able to shop online. Here you'll be able to see several products. For adding the referral code, what you have to do is go to the checkout page. For that, first of all, add the item to cart. In order to add the item to cart, all you have to do is tap on the item that you want to purchase. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the item that you like the best. Now you'll be able to see the details of the item over here. Simply tap on the option add to cart that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll have to select the size and color. After you've selected it, simply tap on the option add to cart that you can see at bottom. Now that item will be added to cart. All you have to do is go to the cart. Simply tap on the cart icon that you can see at the top. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your cart. Here you'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for checkout. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the order confirmation interface. In this interface, you'll be able to add the referral code. All you have to do is scroll down. You'll be able to find the section for payment method over here. Just below the payment method, you'll be able to find the option for apply coupon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for apply coupon. Simply tap on it. Now what you have to do is enter your referral code over here. After you enter the code, simply tap on the option apply that you can see right over here. After that, this referral code will be applied and you'll be able to get discount on your purchase. So that is how you add referral code on SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.